Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO V50 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So, at first, open the settings. Then from main settings list, select security and privacy and mark device unlocked. Now select fingerprint. And at first you have to add your PIN code. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create a new one. It can be also pattern or password, but let me go with my current PIN code. And now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. Just mark start, grab your phone as you usually do it, and just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then hold it on the sensor and repeat till it's fully added. And as you can see, it is already done, so just finish the process, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.